guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Choma Benzo to TV, East African Cup of Nations, Bafana 3, Zimbabwe 2. I'm joined by that guy from Cape Town.
Sivo?
Yeah.
Otherwise?
My dog.
Incredible.
How's Dubani?
Mhlanga, it was nice.
Proper things.
Bengikhuluma isiZulu.
Yeah.
Bekumnandi.
Nabomama.
Omama, amandiya.
They built well ngada. Mina ngikhuluma ngabusi speech.
Abeshaya amabriyani la.
Ane?
Yeah,
proper things.
Yeah.
Something dog awusleh.
Ngizokuphathela.
Next time.
Mara ngizokuphathela njani babeza ngifaka kwimadlanga commission.
What?
January, but I'm the most wanted.
Why?
That's a story for another day.
No,
Steve.
you can tell it. I have
Steve.
I know. What are you gonna do?
But the streets, ziyakhuluma.
Which streets?
Twitter streets everywhere.
Or the Mike McCap thing.
As I address her later on.
Oh,
Asingene game.
Okay, sure.
Asingene game.
Okay.
First of all.
You sound like you wanna
First of all.
We are panga.
First of all, I wanna say congratulations to Bafana.
Yeah.
Congratulations to Hugo Bros. Yeah. Congratulations to Helman Mkelele.
Yeah.
Congratulations to the man of the match, Apolis.
Yeah.
What a nice penalty.
Yeah.
Cool, come and collected.
Yeah.
Congratulations to South Africa.
Yes.
Yotle.
Yes.
Congratulations to our fans too.
Yeah.
Because it was a full house today.
Yeah.
Move. Everyone was in. So congratulations to everyone who came through today.
Yeah.
That means everyone is passionate about football.
Yeah.
And whatever happens here on the mic, it stays on the mic.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I want to say.
Yeah. Is that your response to Mike McCap?
Man, Okay. I didn't want to address this thing. Ne?
Okay.
But I understand where he comes from. I understand what he wrote. But there's one thing that I didn't like.
What?
Is to say that he only talked about Amafens Wetu, not addressing me. Because everyone who comes to this mic, it's their opinions, not of Amafens Wetu.
Yeah.
You are interviewing me and interviewing everyone else.
Sure.
So you are not responsible for what comes out of my mouth.
Yeah.
So you are supposed to address me.
Yeah.
Of course, maybe he doesn't know me and he wants to associate the platform, which is a bad move. That's not a good one. And also, he needs to address his player. To say to his player, stop doing banter. Because it's nice when he's doing it, but when other people are doing it, they are killing his career.
True.
You see? So whenever he does those things on TV, when he's celebrating all those trophies, saying people abolam tutu, people get hurt by those things.
Get offended.
You get what I mean? But for me, my intention was not to hurt Umbule.
Yeah.
It's just banter. To entertain people.
Yeah. True.
Before these platforms, we didn't have such.
Yeah.
You would go and cry in bed or you beat your wife because you are angry. You see? So there's a decrease of GPV, there's a decrease of Amachita Shayan.
Yeah.
Because there are platforms like this. So he mustn't talk as if this is not therapeutic for some people.
That's true.
This is pure entertainment.
Yeah.
Because now there's only platforms for Ama analysts, Kuma TV.
That's a fact.
Where's the platform for Ama fans? Ama fans wait.
Yeah, true.
So to him, I understand where he comes from, but he must not be biased.
Yeah, taught.
He must analyze everything clean and then respond if he wants to respond, but not put emotions before anything else. But otherwise, angiyamncane umbule.
Yeah.
Mangazo Cape Town, amshayela.
Ngamphatha fresh.
Ngamtekela. Phela sinayo wine da. Slide wide, Cape Town.
So yeah, it's exactly what Macap is complaining about.
It's hospitality.
Yeah, okay, I
It's
understand.
I'm shy lazy pie.
Proper thing.
Yeah. Before I go, Stibo, I want to say thank you to all my fans with.
Yeah.
Because I remember the first time I met you was in FNB.
Yeah.
And after the game, I came to say, I like your work. You didn't know me.
Yeah.
But I came to say, I like your work. And Grotmani Yog said, are you going to the AFL final the following day in Loftus? I said, I'm there.
Yeah.
And I went there. And you guys told me to wait for you next to Protea Hotel to interview me.
Yeah.
And I came through. When I was going to you, I thought I will have to explain myself again to say, who am I?
Yeah.
Mara, you saw me right away.
Yeah, my brother.
And you were shocked by one thing. I was carrying a big bag.
Yeah.
I was actually flying back to Cape Town same day.
Yes,
But I
yes.
made sure that I come for the interview.
Yeah.
So ever since there, you guys have been accommodating me very well.
Yeah, Var.
Even go Cape Town.
Yeah.
When you guys come through.
Yeah.
You always give me the platform. So I appreciate the platform. And I know a lot of people don't get to be here. But you guys made sure that I'm here today. So I appreciate my fans way too.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ngiyabonga. Otherwise, I think for me, I don't want to be negative about the game. It was a very tough game. Zimbabwe are our neighbors. And you saw the assistant coach Zimbabwe, Ubani. Kaitano.
I don't know.
Kaitano no Tembo. Kaitano Tembo. You know him.
Okay.
He coached Super Sport. Yeah, he went around PSL. So he knows South African football. So it was bound to be a tough game. And you saw the previous one. It was also a tough game. Zimbabwe didn't want to go out. And there's so many things that you can pick up from the game, but we don't want to be negative.
Yes.
But otherwise, a great game for a lot of players in the pitch. Opas came in and settled the game.
Yes.
Like he controlled the game.
He did.
Yeah, I don't want to say who he came for.
Yeah.
Because I know the other player got a bit of a scrappy game today.
Yeah, that's true.
Apolis had a nice game.
As well.
Apolis had a nice game.
Yeah.
There's one player, guys, I think you can't fight that player.
Uba.
You can't fight that player because he's not your favorite player, but he's always going to give you something to talk about.
Yeah.
Uforster.
Yeah. Like a goal.
Ish.
Or assist.
What do you want from a striker?
Goals.
Do you want beautiful game or goals?
Goals, my brother.
You see?
Goals.
So it's going to be a tough one for us as fans of football. Yabo. Otherwise, I would like to say congratulations to our Bafana. If you want me to come back, fund me. I'll come back to Joburg and watch the group stages.
What is your last?
Yeah, this is my last. Yeah, it's my last. So thank you so much. That's why I appreciate it.
No.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm going back to Cape Town. I'm going back to Cape Town via the 31st. I'm going. Ngiyabonga. Otherwise, the same man of the match from the game is my man of the match. Yeah.
Wow, wait, dog. Ah, I didn't know.